I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com right now. Let's be here for with the belly button push-ups. Boom. Bring your belly button to the floor. Boom. We're gonna get your back fat. Who got back fat and arm problems? Anybody? Throw your hands up. 5. Good. 6. I'll take it. 7. 8. And if you can't tap your belly button, come as far as you can. 9. Come as close to the earth as you can. 10. 11. 12. 13. Still be here though. 14. 15, there you go. 16, yep. Okay. 17, 18, 15, I saw that. 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, 20,